Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renelle. So I am coming looking like this because where I live at, it's simply way too hot to film, especially the area that I'm filming at right now. It's in my studio, so it's just too hot to, yeah, so I just really didn't want to put any makeup on or anything like that today because I am not going anywhere and it's just hot. It's hot. So I'm sorry, but not really sorry for it. Some days I just don't wear makeup. Most days I do. Today I'm not. So the video that I'm going to be filming for y'all today is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. We are going to be doing this today. My son, of course, went ahead and opened it for me, so I kind of know what I'm getting already because I did take a peek. I'm sorry, I couldn't help it. So this is what it looks like when we open it. It's just standard Boxycharm. So the theme of this month's box is wildflower, which I really do like. Because we're heading to fall and stuff like that, and I'm really excited for it. Just to be completely honest, I love fall. Fall's my favorite time of year. I'm really excited to see what we got in the box. Yes, I did hang some stuff up for my background because I got tired of using like my colored backdrops and stuff like that. So my husband came out and helped me put everything up yesterday. These shelves that you're seeing behind me, I did buy some decorations for them last night. I just have not felt like put them up yet. So the next video that you see that will be shot down here, that will, oh, I'm sorry, I keep pointing in the wrong direction. That will have autumn decorations on it because I did go out and buy some specifically for those shelves. So, okay, so the very first thing that we did get is a Laura Geller blush. I'm just moving the box over there, which looks like this. This is in the color Tropic Hues. Now, I've never owned anything Laura Geller before, and I don't know how they swatch or anything like that. I've not touched it. This is what the blush looks like. It's super, super pretty. It does have like a different colors, and I'm sure you can see that in the lights and stuff like that. Now this does retail for $28. So the box, now this is just the regular box. It's not the Boxy Luxe or anything like that. By the time I signed up for those, they were out of them. But I should be receiving the next one, which I think is in December. So we'll see. Now again, this is this retails for $28. The box I got was $21. And yes, I did pay with this with my own money. I don't get sent anything for free because I don't have that many followers or anything like that. But so I did pay with this with my own money, and the Boxy Luxe that I'll be getting will be with my own money as well. Now, it says this right here it's a baked blush and brighten. It adds a gorgeous glowy flush to your cheeks with this baked blush. Stunning swirls of liquid pigments are baked in Italy for 24 hours on terracotta tiles and hand finished into a silky dome of powder. The smooth and long-wearing formula is paraben-free and infused with skin-loving antioxidants. Wow. Okay then. It's very fancy. Let's see if we can do a swatch. Okay, so I've very lightly rubbed it against there. That's what it looks like. Ooh. Well. Okay. That's going to be pretty if I can get my hand in there. Focus. There we go. So that is very pretty. This is the colors I normally do reach for too. I'm sorry if you can hear my voice. I am getting just a little sick again. But anyway, I cannot wait to try that out. Okay, so the next thing that I received was this Hank & Henry liquid lipstick. It's matte liquid lipstick in the color Petal Pusher. I don't like that smell. This is going to be a perfect fall color. I can feel. Okay. And I've not tried any of these products out. So that's what the color looks like right there. Honestly, I cannot wait to try this. I've heard of this brand, but I've never tried anything from them. Now, they are $17. And you can, it says, have your cake and wear it too. This frosting scented long wear liquid lipstick glides on smoothly while its vitamin E infused formula gives your lips the youthful look they deserve. It's highly pigmented and dries to a stunning and full coverage matte. The flat tight liner brush, oh, I'm sorry, my bad. That was something else. Finish that never dries your lips and it never transfers. Cool. I love liquid lipsticks. They're my favorite formula. I'm going to let that dry down just for a little bit and we'll come back and see if it will transfer. But because it is liquid, you do have to give it time to dry. Because if you don't, it's not going to look good. Next item that we did receive, I have not taken these out of the thing because I didn't want to mess them up. This is the Elmar Cosmetics brush set. It's made with 100% synthetic fibers. These brushes are extremely soft, durable, and essential to your brush collections. Let me go ahead and get them out. Now, these also do go with the Elmar Cosmetics. It's made by Gaby MUA. She is Kathleen Light's makeup artist. So we did receive the Elmar eyeshadow, you fix my eyebrows or drive me nuts. Eyeshadow palette in a Boxycharm about a month. I think it was like 2 boxes ago, but I'm not certain of it. These are the brushes that go with this. Now, this one, I can tell right off, they're very soft. And this is probably going to be one of my favorite ones because I love brushes like this. Now, it says that the flat painter brush, which is this, because it looks just like a painter's brush, effortlessly applies color onto your lids, while the fluffy blending brush, which is this one, can be used to seamlessly blend colors together. The flat tight liner brush is perfect for direct color application onto your lash line, which would be this. So I've seen girls, and I've done this myself, I've seen it where they take like an eyeshadow color and will put it here, and they'll also put it here. So you can just go ahead and like this right here, or you can stamp what they call like this right here onto your eyelid. Oh my God, your eyelid. So you can put this on like this, like a glimmer or a shimmer or something. Then take this and you can just blend it out, which I love. And this one you can just take color and just stamp it on your eyelash line, or you can even put it down here. So yeah, I'm really, really excited for this. Okay, so there is the color. It seems to have dried down. Yep, it transfers. So it's not completely dry just yet. So yeah, it does transfer on the arm, not the lips. I don't know, because I did give it a few minutes to dry. So we'll come back to it and see if it will transfer. Okay, so the next item that I've received, yes, if you see my little hat, let me see. It says out of office back there. I got that for 10 bucks at Walmart. Anyway, the next item that we got was the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll Liner. Now, this is like the MAC one, and I think it's the Maybelline one. I'm not 100% certain if that's the one. I know one from the drugstore has made one. Now, MAC made one, and then I think Maybelline, I'm not for sure. I probably should look that up. Actually made one like this. Now, the MAC one and the other ones that come from a drugstore, nobody liked. Well, not. There was very few people that liked those. So this is kind of that formula to where it has a wheel on it. Bit of focus. So that's what it looks like right there. You can tell it does have that little wheel. Now, I've never used anything like this. I was going to purchase the MAC one until I've seen so many reviews on it that a lot of people couldn't use. So it turned me off. This one is $19. So it's about the same price. Now, what you're supposed to be able to do is to create a line on this. One of my friends, Andrea, I work with her. She actually tried this yesterday because she got Boxycharm too, but she actually uses her products when she gets them. I wait till I film and then I use them. But she actually tried this at work yesterday, and it looked really good on her eyes, like really, really good. Like it done a smooth line, it didn't transfer, it stayed all day and stuff like that. I don't know what type of skin she has, like normal, I think. I should ask her, to be honest. But this really did work on her. I sat and watched her apply it. It really done good. So, what I'm going to do is, let's see here. I'm not sure how to use this. Ooh. Okay, so I just took and made this line right here. So let me show you. I'm just going to go straight across. Now, is that perfect? No. Because I'm trying to hold my hand up. But look at that. That is going to be easy. Oh, and this is what the inside of it looks like. If you can tell, it has like little openings and stuff like that where you can just take and dip in and then pull out. Which it doesn't seem to have too much on it, honestly. Let's see if I can do it like this. So we'll try. Ugh. Okay. So that's what it looks like. I just tried it. I cannot figure out how to do it. Yes, that's going to be easy. Oh no. Okay, sorry. So that's what the lines look like. Is it perfect? Absolutely not, because I am right-handed. Excuse me. And my hand kind of shakes when I try to do stuff like this. So that's what it looks like. You can see it's very, very black. It is gorgeous. It dries down to a matte and stuff like that. I just try to swatch it to show you all what it looked like and stuff. This is where I messed up with it. I mean, it's just a hot mess on the back of my hand. I'll have to go wash it after a while, which is fine. I don't care. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Let me get it in the thing. So I have a feeling that you probably would have to go over it if you really want like a solid, deep, like black. But that's what it looks like through my hand. By no means is it perfect. This is not my eyes. I'm not trying to be careful with it. I'm just trying to show you what it looks like. This does retail for $19. It does say to create precise. Oh, you're supposed to shake it up. Oh! I didn't shake it up. So, on the beak of it, right there, it plainly states to shake me up. So, if you get this, shake it. I didn't. It's got like a little ball in it. That's how you know it's supposed to. Okay, so, you know what, let me try this again. Ooh, okay. Holy crap. Oh, that's not it. Okay, I'm good. Whew. Okie doke. So, I just went over after I shook it up. This is what it looks like when you shake it up. So, my bad. Shake it up. You'll get something that looks like this. Focus. Focus. The very bottom one is what you'll get instead of this. So, shake it up. I'm gonna quit dropping it. You're gonna be mad at me. Okay. Oh, it's supposed to be quick dry and smudge proof formula. Really? Ooh. Oh, okay. Yep. just put this on there. I mean, if you rub real hard, of course, it's going to come off. But again, this is the hand, and I don't think anybody's going to be like this with their own eyes. Okay, so the very, very last thing that I was pulling out of my box is going to be the Nightingale eyeshadow palette. This is by the brand Pretty Vulgar. We have received some other items before. I know I've got a eyeliner, a gel eyeliner, a couple more things from them that I really, really do enjoy. Now this packaging is like this right here. Now it does have a mirror. I still have the plastic on mine. You can see me right there. So I have not took the mirror off, but you know. But oh my God, look at this. This is gorgeous. That's what the colors look like. Oh, my bad. And super, super cute. I just don't know if I'm wild about the flip up, but you know, I enjoy the packaging. So we have Nocturnal, Hello Fight, Break Free is up top. And then we have the Dark Side, Hide and Seek, Clutch, Flip Out. We have I Spy, Silver Spoon, All Nighter, After Midnight, and Swoop. And I just dug my nail in that. Ooh. It's one thing I have about having nails. I dig my fingers into everything. So, this says that, oh, this is a smoky eyeshadow palette too. Does it say on the front? It does not. Ooh, look at the back of it. Embrace your beautiful contradictions. I love that. Now this says that it's made up of 12 highly pigmented shades. The Nightingale palette is sure to help you create your best looks. The matte, shimmer, and satin shades are soft in texture, and the luxuriously smooth formula makes for easy blending and long wear. This is worth $35. Okay, so here is that swatch that we done earlier, and now it is dried completely down, and it is not moving. So you do have to let it dry down first to actually make sure it doesn't transfer or anything like that. My hair is a hot mess, y'all. Just made it worse. Anyway, I don't care. So yeah, that is all that we've received in this month's Boxycharm. This month I'm really excited for it. The other one that we received, that honestly, that was a huge letdown. I did not like it. Some of the products were not good. But I decided that, you know, you can't judge it just by one box, because most of the other boxes that I've received this year since I signed up in February has been amazing. And I mean, you get full-size products for $21. That eyeshadow palette alone was $35. So you get well over $100 worth of products in these boxes. So that's why I've decided to stay with them and stuff, and that's why I also decided to sign up for the Boxylux. I was hoping to get it, but unfortunately, I signed up way too late for it because it was first come, first serve, which I totally understand. But I did sign up for the wait list, and hopefully I get it in December. So we will see what we get in that month box, if I get it or not. So yeah, until my next video, I will see y'all later. Bye.